Ready to elevate your comfort without changing your whole space? These Amazon home gadgets are designed to help you relax more, lounge better, and feel good at home every single day. From cozy upgrades to clever comfort boosters, they make everyday living feel effortless. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Give your feet the relief they deserve. This foot roller massager targets plantar fasciitis, eases pain, and helps cold feet feel warm again. Its large, split design fits both feet comfortably and boosts circulation with every roll. Portable and fully washable, it's easy to use at home, at the office, or on the go. Perfect for relaxing after long days or prepping tired feet for exercise, it turns simple rolling into real recovery. Cut through tough materials in seconds. These cordless electric scissors slice cardboard, leather, carpet, and more with a powerful motor running up to 230 RPM. 3-speed settings and built-in LED lights give you full control and precision, even in dim spaces. The Easy Swap blade system makes changing blades quick, safe, and effortless. Compact, rechargeable, and versatile, it's perfect for DIY projects, crafting, or everyday tasks around the house. Bring the gym home with this smart workout mirror. Its 32-inch touchscreen lets you control apps, track progress, and stream fitness classes without extra devices. The full-size 63-inch reflective surface helps you check posture, perfect your moves, or even use it as a dressing mirror. LED light strips sync with your music to make workouts fun and immersive. Wall-mounted or freestanding, it's a sleek, all-in-one hub for fitness, dance, yoga, and entertainment. So, if you want a full gym experience at home, scan the QR on screen. Need a cozy escape from the busy world? This sensory tent creates a calming hideout for kids and adults, perfect for quiet play or relaxing alone. Its oversized blackout design gives a warm, secure feeling, like being wrapped in a comforting hug. Setup is quick and easy, taking just minutes, and the removable cover makes cleaning simple. Whether it's for stress relief, sensory play, or quiet time, this tent turns any space into a peaceful retreat. Level up your audio game with this wireless lavalier microphone. The compact Wave T5 delivers crystal clear, studio-quality sound with adjustable noise cancellation for podcasts, vlogs, or streaming. It pairs instantly with iPhones, Androids, or tablets, letting you record hands-free from up to 300 meters away. Built-in voice filters and intelligent ENC technology make every word sound crisp, even in noisy environments. With up to 30 hours of battery life, you can focus on creating without interruptions. So if you want pro-quality sound anywhere, scan the QR on screen. Capture every moment with ease and clarity. This digital camera features an 11.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and a 21mm wide-angle lens for sharp, vibrant photos. The 3-inch touchscreen lets you frame shots, adjust settings, and preview images effortlessly. Built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing your pictures to social media or cloud instant and simple. Perfect for selfies, close-ups, or full landscapes, it turns every shot into a keepsake. Turn every coffee into a masterpiece. This latte art machine prints full-color selfies and custom designs directly onto foam drinks, from coffee and lattes to cocktails and even beer. Just upload a photo via QR code or use the built-in camera, and the machine brings it to life in seconds. Easy to use and precise, it creates 600 DPI prints that impress every guest. Perfect for cafes, events, or personal fun, you can make every cup unforgettable. Juicing just got effortless. This cold press juicer lets you load your whole recipe into the self-feeding hopper and walk away while it extracts every drop. It handles fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens with minimal pulp, giving you more juice and less waste. The quiet, durable motor keeps it running smoothly, and cleanup is simple with quick-release parts and included brushes. Whether for breakfast or smoothies, you get fresh, nutrient-packed juice with zero hassle. So, if you want fresh juice without the work, scan the QR on screen. Wake up with a little fun in your mornings. This Nintendo sound clock lets you pick a scene and plays music or sound effects from your favorite games at your set time. It reacts to your movements, getting quieter if you roll over or stretch, and stops automatically when you get out of bed. With 35 unique alarms across 5 games, every morning feels fresh and playful. The screen even changes to match the game you've chosen, making waking up a mini adventure. Your entertainment just got smarter. This 32-inch smart TV streams over 300 channels and lets you control everything with your voice or a single remote. AirPlay and screencasting make it easy to share movies, shows, or videos from your phone or tablet. The HD display delivers bright, crisp images, while built-in speakers fill the room with clear sound. Whether you're watching movies, streaming, or gaming, you can do it all effortlessly from one screen. Turn any event into a light show you'll never forget. This moving head DJ light spins endlessly while blasting vibrant RGBW beams across the room. Sound-activated mode reacts to your music, or you can control it with DMX512 for precise effects. Strobe, flowing colors, and bright LEDs create energy for parties, concerts, or weddings. Durable metal and plastic construction with built-in cooling keeps it running safely all night long. Step into the galaxy far, far away. This double-bladed lightsaber lets kids build their own epic weapon with extendable blades, electronic hilts, and clip-on rings. You can customize it as a single saber or a double blade, then mix and match pieces for endless combinations. Lights and iconic sound effects make every duel feel real, perfect for imaginative play, role-play battles, or collecting for Star Wars fans. So if you want legendary lightsaber battles at home, scan the QR on screen. Hot chocolate just got smart and mess-free. This commercial hot drink dispenser keeps chocolate, milk, or cocoa at the perfect temperature with intelligent control from 86 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. The built-in spiral mixer prevents lumps while evenly heating every cup for rich, smooth flavor. Stainless steel and food-grade materials keep drinks safe and easy to clean. Whether for home, cafes, or buffets, you can serve up to 80 cups without constant refilling. Working from anywhere just got easier. This adjustable laptop stand transforms into a laptop riser, a magnetic phone or tablet holder, or even a travel hanging stand for planes and trains. You can switch between 8 height levels and freely tilt your devices to reduce neck and wrist strain. The powerful N52 magnets keep MagSafe phones secure, while silicone pads protect all your devices from scratches. Lightweight, foldable, and travel-ready, it slips into your bag so you can work comfortably anywhere. Turn plain mugs into personalized masterpieces in minutes. This mug press heats evenly to transfer your designs onto blank mugs that last through dishwashers and daily use. You can use markers, pens, or special transfer sheets to make every cup one of a kind. Its one-touch operation and auto-off feature make it safe and easy for beginners or pros. Whether for gifts, home, or office, you can create custom mugs that really stand out. So if you want your mugs to be totally unique, scan the QR on screen. Meet your car's new best friend. This wireless car charger holder automatically clamps your phone with one hand, making pickups and drop-offs effortless. It charges your device fast while keeping it secure, and the cute robot-like design adds a playful touch to your dashboard. The holder works on air vents or the dashboard and rotates 360 degrees for the perfect viewing angle. Even at night, its little glowing eyes add charm while keeping your phone visible and ready to use. Cut the cables and upgrade your setup. This wireless and USB microphone gives you crystal clear sound without cluttering your desk. One-click noise reduction blocks background sounds, while the 30mm dynamic capsule captures every detail of your voice. RGB lights let you customize your vibe, and a touch-sensitive mute button keeps control at your fingertips. Perfect for streaming, podcasting, gaming, or video calls. So if you want pro-quality sound anywhere, scan the QR on screen. Precision just got a stylish upgrade. This digital kitchen scale gives you clear, accurate readings for cooking, baking, and meal prep. The removable bowl lets you weigh, mix, and pour ingredients without making a mess. A bright LED display makes numbers easy to read at a glance, even in low light. It's rechargeable, so you skip disposable batteries and keep your counter clutter-free. Clean, modern, and practical. This is the scale you'll actually enjoy using. Say goodbye to daily scooping forever. This automatic litter box cleans itself and keeps your cat's space fresh for up to 15 days. It tracks your cat's bathroom habits, sending health reports so you can catch potential issues early. The large open-top design and safety sensors make it stress-free and secure for your cat. With app control, triple odor control, and quiet operation, it's a smart, worry-free upgrade for any cat owner. Your morning coffee just found its favorite story. This 3D painted glass mug looks like a colorful stack of books sitting right in your hands. The raised design adds texture and charm, making every sip feel special while you read or work. It's made from heat-resistant glass, so you can enjoy hot or cold drinks without worry. The easy grip handle feels comfortable and balanced as you hold it. So, if you want to sip like a true bookworm, scan the QR on screen. Recovery just got smarter and way more comfortable. This cordless air compression massager wraps around your muscles and gently squeezes to boost circulation and ease soreness. You choose the massage zones so you can focus exactly where your body needs it most. The rhythmic compression helps you warm up faster and recover quicker after tough workouts. No cords, no hassle. Just strap it on and relax. It's like giving your muscles a professional reset at home. Movie night just found its favorite seat. This oversized modular sectional lets you stretch out, recline, and relax exactly how you like. 2 power recliners adjust at the touch of a button, so you can kick back without getting up. A built-in center console holds your drinks, stores your essentials, and even charges your devices while you lounge. The soft corduroy fabric feels plush and cozy, making it perfect for long naps or long conversations. So if you want the ultimate lounge experience, scan the QR on screen. Old school style meets clever design. This retro metal ashtray does more than hold your cigarettes. It also works as a built-in match lighter. You slide the hidden striker, spark it, and you're good to go without reaching for anything else. Multiple slots let you rest cigarettes securely, even when sharing with friends. The solid metal build feels heavy, smooth, and made to last. It's a functional tabletop piece that adds character while keeping things clean and convenient. Your bathroom just got a serious upgrade. This smart toilet comes with a built-in bidet that cleans you gently with warm water and dries you automatically after. The heated seat keeps you comfortable, especially on cold mornings, while separate front and rear cleaning makes it more hygienic for everyone. A foot sensor opens, closes, and flushes for you, so you barely have to touch a thing. The LED display and soft night light make nighttime visits easy and modern. So if you want next-level bathroom comfort, scan the QR on screen. Fresh skincare starts right at home. This face mask maker lets you create custom masks using ingredients you choose. Just add your favorite fruits, veggies, or serums, press a button, and watch it turn into a smooth, ready-to-use mask. You control what goes on your skin, so you avoid harsh chemicals and mystery formulas. It heats and mixes automatically, making the process clean and simple. So if you want spa-level masks made your way, scan the QR on screen. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.